Hi and welcome to our second lesson into spreadsheets. Today we're going to be kind of looking at a little bit more how to use it, as well as revisiting the formulas and functions. Okay, so just a reminder, these here are the worksheets and altogether they make a workbook. Now we're going to click on task 1 because that's where we should be. So welcome to spreadsheets. Now these are called relative cell references. So they tell you whereabouts they are. Letters refer to the columns, the numbers refer to the row. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go do one of these. You're going to find it, so N16, which is there, and you're going to type in N16 and it will tell you it's correct. So this is to make you actually look for the different parts, so this shouldn't take you too long. In task 2, now this is one of my favourite bits. There's two skills we're going to learn right here. It is merge cells and the autofill. The autofill is awesome because it works on some words, it works on numbers, it works on formulas, it works on functions, and it just saves so much time. So first of all, to merge a cell, you highlight the cells you want to merge and then you merge and center. Just up here, it's on the home tab, merge and center, and that just means that is now one cell, one square. Now in order to do this, we're going to do autofill. Now autofill will find patterns in anything really, so we're just going to highlight January and February, click on that little square. Now you'll notice that it suddenly turns into a little black cross. Okay, so when it's a black cross, you click and drag. Now that doesn't work, so what you do is you just click March, just type it in, February is spelt wrong. Can you see that? There we go. So that's actually, I'm not going to remove that. That is a really good example that if you miss out a letter, because I missed out the R there, then it's not going to autofill because it can't find that, what it is. Now the thing they also do, you can also shorten it. I don't have the shortened ones down. Okay, so that's a really good point. I'm going to leave that in because if you mistype and you leave out the R, it won't work. Now it can also do the same with numbers, so I'm just click on that. Remember I've clicked 2 because it's got to find the pattern. If I just did 1, it would just be the same 1. So I'm just going to highlight both of them and drag it down. And there we go. Find the pattern. And on these I can just drag that across. And if I want to be really cheeky, I can just highlight those and drag it in. And I've got my own calendar, except I have 31 and February has 29, so 28, so we need to work that out. Okay, now the next bit is I want you to format it. So use borders, cell fill and other bits. So I'm going to highlight it, and borders is right here, so this is this icon. And I go like that. Okay, line colour, I can pick it to whatever I want. I'm just going to go through. Okay, line style. Oh. And just click on that to apply it to all of them. Now I'm going to highlight this, I'm going to make it center. This is where you can fill the cell, so fill colour, and I'm just going to make it orange, make my font bold. Okay, and I'm just playing around with it. So that's what we do, is just kind of play with it, change the font and make it your own. Now once you've done that, you go on to task 3, which is where we're going to be doing the function forms. These ones don't say well done, so you remember equals the cell reference minus that one, and press enter. For the max, remember it's equals max, open bracket, and highlight the range which is there, and press enter. Okay, so you do that sim and average, and then you are done, and you move on to the extension. Well done.